Dear friends, so the screen that you're seeing is my XRP screen. So I'm trading XRP and so basically, like, I'm taking short-term profits here and there, but the main thing that I wanted to bring it to you is say when you go on a weekly chart and you basically can see the wedge formation. Yeah. Now, my question here is usually say this is a weekly chart, and you see like how this wedge, like, it comes down and then like it lifts off. Yeah, and then like we had that big profit like coming all the way here. Same thing over here. You see like how this wedge like comes down and lifts off. On the other hand, look at this. It arcs down to come down, right? Now the question is like over here, it is actually arcing down. So what I was basically saying is like I even posted on StockTwit saying that the reversal will happen at 1.04, sorry, 1.0704. The reason is I was expecting this to come down to 1.0704 and cling on to the bottom side of the wedge right here so it can shoot up. So right now, if you see the current situation, like like whoever drove this price up, like right over here on these two blue candles, like that's not right. So now, like they have taken a perfectly good token and they are going to screw it over. That's basically what's going to happen. Now, it is clinging on to the top part of the wedge right here, and it could fall off the wedge. So, which means like it's going to come back down to somewhere over here in this level to test these, right? So that's what I was worried about. Right now, can it turn back around? Yes. The only way it can turn back around is like if it comes down once again, like to the bottom part of the wedge, and then if it travels along the bottom wall and then it shoots up, it is possible. But right now, the way it looks is like it's clinging on to the top part of the wedge, so which basically means like it could drop off anytime. So this is my concern about XRP. And right now, I'm investing here and there and taking short-term profits because I'm not really worried about these little candles inside this wedge. Those I use only for my short-term gains, like maybe like a few $100 here and there. But my main concern is like these big candles. That's where I make the money. That's where I double my capital. So I'm not really worried about these whatever is happening in these little zones. And right now the way the zone is looking for XRP is not good. So so this is my take on it. So if you guys really think like that I'm doing it wrong or whatever, then basically just write and then probably we can have a healthy conversation, right? So this is the way I trade, and this is the way I look for a trade, and it has always paid out for me. So just bringing it to you guys. Thanks.